So, welcome to Aylesbury Grammar School. Now, this video is going to help you to get started with using some of the IT systems at our school. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is kind of get you a head start with getting logged on, and you can watch this video back and it will help you understand how to use it. Now, what we're going to do is when you go onto the Aylesbury Grammar School website, if you are ever stuck and ever need to find anything, just go to the Logins button in the top corner of your screen. This will help you find everything that you need. And the things that you are going to need for getting started in your lessons are Google Drive and Google Classroom. Now, this video is going to start off by showing you how to use Google Drive. So to go onto Google Drive, you just follow that link, click on it, and it will load up Google Drive for you. Now, I've got a Year 7 taster account that I've had set up so I can show you what it looks like when you log in. So all I'm going to do is type in Year 7 taster, press next at ags.bucks.sch.uk, and then I'm going to press next. So Year 7 taster at ags.bucks.sch.uk. This will be your email address that you have been given. Now I'm just going to type in the password that I have been allocated for it. Each of you will be given a password to do this. We are then going to press next, and you will get what I like to call the acceptable use policy that basically says that your school has the right to close your account if you are misusing it, and that all of the services are also managed by Google. Now, have a read of that, take it all in, and when you are happy and you understand it, you click I understand. I'm just going to reload that because I've had a glitch there, or I'm just going to go back and click on Google Drive and make sure that that works. So just like that, you have your account, okay? Unfortunately, my internet dropped out there, but you can see I have access to this. Now, this is the important part. You will have many subjects that you will need to access through your time at Aylesbury Grammar School. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your folders for each of those. Now, to set up a folder, because we want you to be organized, you can click on the New button in the top left corner, and all you're going to do is go New Folder. And you're going to create one of those for each of your subjects. So I can go into New Folder, and we're going to go English, create, and that will create your first folder. New folder, science. You may even want to separate that into biology, chemistry. Let's go new folder, and so on. So that's how you create your new folders. Now, I'm going to create one for computer science. So we're going to go new folder, computer science, and click on create. Now, the good thing about using your Google Drive is you can actually go into these folders and you can drag and drop files from your desktop. The other thing you may want to do is you may want to upload a file from your desktop. If you've been working on something in a lesson, the common practice using one of the school PCs is to save it on your desktop where you can find it. And all you need to do, so we're going to do a new folder for this term, and it's going to be communication, okay? And by going into that folder, all I need to do is go new and file upload, and I can just go to my desktop from the left over here. I can go to my desktop and I can pick any one of these files or even a folder. So I'm going to go into Scratch. I'm going to pick some slides. I'm going to press open. And just like that, that will be uploaded into your folder. Now, if you need to get back at any point, all you need to do is click on My Drive and it will show you the top level. Some people do like to organize their files by year. So what they may do is go New Folder and create Year 7. And then they know what they've been studying by each year, because then what you can do is click a file and you can actually drag it so that it goes into, so you just click it once, click it again and drag it, click it once, click it again, drag it, click it once, click it again and drag it. And now whenever I go into the Year 7 folder, I have my organized subjects. So you will want to play around with this, but ultimately this lesson is about getting you to grips with using Google Drive. I hope that video is useful to you. There are other opportunities here which you will be shown in a moment.